Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 on your MacBook Air. First, ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. We will then go through the straightforward installation process using Steam. Finally, I'll share valuable tips to optimize your game settings and enhance your overall gameplay, ensuring you have the best possible experience on your portable device. Before diving into the action, it's crucial to confirm your MacBook Air can handle Dota 2. The game generally requires at least 8 GB of RAM for stable performance. You'll also need about 15 GB of free storage on your solid-state drive. A dual-core Intel processor or an Apple Silicon chip provides sufficient power, and ensure your Mac OS is updated to at least Catalina for compatibility. Installing Dota 2 is quite simple through the Steam platform. First, download and install the Steam client onto your MacBook Air. Once installed, either create a new, free Steam account or log in with your existing credentials. Navigate to the Steam store, search for Dota 2, and then click the Play Game button. Steam will then handle the download and installation automatically, preparing you for battle. To get the best performance from Dota 2 on your MacBook Air, consider adjusting a few settings. Lowering the in-game graphics quality, such as shadows and textures, can significantly boost your frame rate. Always close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up system resources. A stable, high-speed internet connection is also vital for online play, and an external mouse offers much better precision than the trackpad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.